So I've got my compatible glass colors here to throw in the furnace, and I'll place them in the furnace like this so there'll be a little bit of space between them. I can just go in here and adjust the location of them, and then I can take the first gather from a clean area. So while my colored pieces are melting, takes about 20 seconds or so, I can prepare the first gather, and I'm going to quench this in soda water. And then I can pick up the second gather. And I'll strip off the extra clear glass here. And work on the mushroom stem. So I like to make the stem a little bit longer than they would occur in nature, because if somebody was sticking this in a plant pot, the bottom inch or so of the stem wouldn't be visible. There. Give it a bit of a twist. There. So I have to wait for this to chill before I can pick up the third gather. And the shape of this little thing on the end here is perfect. It works like a bit of a scoop to pick up extra glass on that third gather. Colors striking now on the stem. Alright, ready for the third gather. And I have this meat cleaver here that I use to thin out the cap. Try and get it out as thin as possible. And flip it over and slowly influence how it slumps before it chills. And then I'll knock it off here and fire polish it and put it in the annealer. No cold working.